You do not understand. You are not ready.
Yo, what is happening, my dudes? It's your boy Thrifty McShifty, Hunter with Toy Finder, the Yorkshire Picker, and I'm here in sunny Selby for the grand opening of Rocket's Hideout, Yorkshire's new hotspot for TCG for all your Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh needs. Let's have a little look around, shall we? Montage. Gaming room. We have a gaming room with comic book selection as well. Gonna do a bit of reading. We've got comics. So I'm here with Lee G, founder, owner, all round Pokemon mogul. Lee, come on. Lee, what can people expect from Rocket's Hideout? Come on. So I'm here with Lee G, owner, founder of Rocket's Hideout. Lee, what can people expect from Rocket's Hideout?
So essentially we just wanted a place where people could come and play local games. I think the closest places we've got is York and Hull, and it's quite a commute to get to those areas, so we wanted an area where people could actually physically come in and sit down and play the tabletop games. So play the TCGs with Warhammer, play Warhammer. And we've got Warhammer, we've got Yu-Gi-Oh, we've got comics, we've got board games where people can kind of just come and sit. Yes.
So although it's named after a Pokemon, it sounds Pokemon themed. There are other things that are going to be going on.
Yeah. So in the main, we collected Pokemon collectors for us, but we understand that there's far more than Pokemon out there that people like, and we want to cater for all audiences really. So. That was why we brought in the other TCGs. We know Yu-Gi-Oh is very popular around here, Warhammer's very popular, and certainly Pokemon, we feel there's a massive market for it in Selby.
Nice. And you stream opening Pokemon, so is that something you're going to continue to do? Is that something people can join in with on YouTube or? Yeah,
so we're likely to still continue streaming. It might drop, we used to do it weekly, it might drop off to once a month.
You're a busy guy.
So we may drop it to once a month, but other than that, we're still actively trying to stay into that, and then probably TikTok streaming, but it might be more Neve. I'll be in the shop on a Thursday, so if anyone wants to drop in on those days and have a chat, absolutely feel free.
And can we meet the actual mastermind that is Noah G as well?
We can't right now.
This was all Noah's idea, he said to me.
Yeah, we can soon, but it might be a couple minutes.
On to interviewing Noah G very shortly. I'm here now with Noah G, who I've heard is the mastermind of Rocket's Hideout.
Yeah.
Noah, is it true that they make you sleep in this little cubbyhole here?
Occasionally on nights.
On nights?
Yeah, occasionally.
Is this your sort of contribution, would you say, to the shop in a big way? The Harry Potter corner.
Yeah, Harry Potter I designed all myself. So.
Right. It looks good, doesn't it? I understand that you're quite heavily into the Lego. Harry Potter Lego, is that your thing?
Yeah, I like building Lego, and Harry Potter's one of my favourite things. So.
Nice. And you stream as well with Dad
Yeah.
on Rocket's Hideout on YouTube.
Yeah.
You enjoy that?
Yeah, I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And where are we based here? With Selby, I understand that, but
Yeah.
if you would tell people where to come to visit,
In Selby by Sainsbury's.
by the Sainsbury's.
Yeah, there's an alleyway with stairs.
Interrupting our interview, don't worry about it. He's got work to do as Noah. Got work to do.
Run and get me some keys and get a shoe.
Are you nervous? You nervous?
Little bit.
We've got a bit of a crowd outside, people waiting to come in.
We're going?
Team Rocket's Hideout. Go.
With maintenance crew, alright.
Maintenance crew.
Yeah.
Ribbon cutting time.
I'll count down from 5. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Right.
Come in.
You go.
Bloody hell. Gotta double check then.
rubbish. Ugh. What a waste of £8. And that's why I don't open Pokemon anymore. No, G. How well do you think it went today? Good.
Yeah, amazing.
Show us your
So I reckon if you put that
Well, that was Rocket's Hideout. As I say, Selby's hottest new spot for TCG and all things geeky and all things cool. Tired now. It was good that though. Really good. A good turnout. Some good folk. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. And that's how you find it. Up them, stick it, up them, stick it, up down that snicket and up them steers. There you go. That's it guys. Over and out for now. Peace.
All right. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Loser.